Okay, I'm starting to vlog. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? We are going to pick up my not new, very used, ancient car today. And yeah, everything literally that could go wrong has gone wrong. But and we have this 50-foot trailer that's here. It literally comes out to the street. And so yeah, I don't know. It's so long. But yeah, we're gonna be doing it, moving it out. Hopefully I don't crash something. So just let me know, and who's gonna be the filmer, who's gonna be the camera holder for this while I back up the thing.
I could be your cameraman.
Okay, cool. That sounded like a song. I could be your cameraman.
Is this Prime? It's not Prime. Whoa.
It's going to zoom. It's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna do stupid zoom stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
How do I stop recording?
I'm gonna give you directions.
Yeah, what do I do?
Okay, so you're gonna go this way.
Do the thing!
You want me to give you reverse directions or?
Straight? Oh God!
Oh my God!
Oh God!
Oh my God!
A few inches later.
Oh no, straight back.
Straight back!
Yeah.
He's doing it! He's doing it! Don't worry about it.
Okay, now straighten it out.
So much has happened. Okay, first of all, I'm getting a 1977, I thought it was 1976, but a 1977 Toyota Celica GT. Doesn't look very good now, but I'm thinking of the future. And it's gonna look amazing and it's gonna look good. I'm so pumped I'm getting this, and yeah, I feel bad because I'm literally borrowing my friends. I borrowed Daniel for like a day. I borrowed his car, his glorious truck. I borrowed the bed behind me, the trailer thingy, and I borrowed Elliot, and yeah. But I guess that's what friends are for. Oh no, they're not for borrowing. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, that's the car. That's the Celica GT. I'm so pumped. Like literally, this is gonna be a project car. I'm probably gonna engine swap it. So it has this stock engine now, and it ran when parked. So hopefully that's not a bad sign. But hopefully I'll get it started. I need a new carburetor. What else do I need? Fuel pump. Fuel tank needs to be put back in its place. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's fine. It's a good project. And I've never built a car before from the ground up. And so this would be a very good learning curve. Let's get to the car. You guys don't want to see my face anymore. You want to see the car, so bye. Hey, the pressure is on. Nope. It's getting worse.
How long have you known Elvis, you two?
This is real quick.
The official handshake. Thank you so much. What have I done? Terrible.
Oh, it's a good idea. We'll figure it out.
We ready? Okay, so we are towing a car. We're towing the, what's it called? The Celica behind us. And it is just terrifying. Because, yeah, it just is. People are passing us. I've never been this slow on the freeway. And it's awesome, and it's also very terrifying. And the rear lights of the car are not working. I mean, of the trailer aren't working. Well, I don't think they are. I didn't test them. I bought it like an adapter thingy, so they might be working, they might not. I have no idea. But This car is a V6, and so it struggles a little bit to tow. So you have to get a lot in the high RPMs, and so, but so far so good. We have about almost an hour to go, but we're really hungry, so we have to stop for food soon. Yeah. How are you doing back there, Elliot?
I'm doing real good.
Daniel, how are you doing, man?
I'm hoping my truck lives.
Yeah, I know. This is Daniel's truck. So hopefully Daniel's truck lives, because this is his truck. It has 206,000 miles on it, and we're trucking along, we're cruising, no issues at all. Yeah. So I have to pretty much move the Mercedes because it's in the way, and we're gonna put it in the garage because we just got back.
A few moments later.
Okay, hold this, please.
No, we're pushing the car.
No, I can't turn the wheel. No, the wheel cannot turn. No power steering. Wait, hold on.
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah. So I'm excited to say that we have done it. We literally have, I mean, it's not running, but we have another car in the garage, and it's kind of scary actually, because again, like I was telling you guys, I've never done any build like this. It's gonna take a lot of work. Parts are all over the place. It came with 1 or 2 extra like spare parts. There's gonna be a whole build list, it's gonna be awesome. Again, just let me know what you guys think about this car and what you want me to do with it. I mean, I already have an idea, but just give me more ideas, or just kind of think about what you want to see done to this thing. I'm thinking engine swap, I'm thinking wide body, I'm thinking literally brand new paint job, a lot of stuff. But I'm probably gonna leave the engine to run initially. I'm probably gonna have the stock engine for a while before doing the engine swap. So I'm gonna need to get it running again. Oh my gosh, I'm so pumped. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. And of course, suspension, it's gonna be amazing. Like, I'm gonna build this car, and I'm going to show you guys everything. It's going to be so good. And the engine that I'm thinking of swapping, after I get this running, the engine that I'm thinking of swapping, you guys would never believe what it is. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video. If you like this video, give it a golden thumbs up. And I'm excited to start on this thing, and I will catch you guys in the next magnificently golden drive. So, bye.